is completely natural for a mother to gain weight during pregnancy. It is also important for the new mom to incorporate some form of exercise in her daily routine. Simple exercises and a moderate control in the diet can ensure that you get back to feeling lighter and better. Before you start exercising, it is important to remember that your body will require 6 to 8 weeks to recover from the stress of labor and birth. It is essential that you consult your doctor and understand the various changes your body has gone through during pregnancy. Walking. Walking is an easy workout and is the best way to warm up your body and set it up for more intense exercise. You can start with a leisurely stroll at first and gradually move to brisk walking over a period of a few days. Try walking for 15 minutes every day for at least 5 days a week and increase the walking time gradually. You can take your baby along in a stroller. Swimming. Swimming helps lose weight and tone body muscles and is refreshing at the same time. You should go swimming only after 6 to 7 weeks after delivery to avoid a chance of infection. Yoga. Yoga is a complete package of exercises for the body and the mind. Yoga is one of the best exercises after pregnancy to reduce your stomach fat. Habituate yourself to perform yoga early in the morning to rejuvenate and energize yourself for the rest of the day. You can practice yoga at home or join classes so that it becomes a part of your routine. Aerobics training. Aerobics is an effective option if you want to lose excessive fat gained during pregnancy. Consistent aerobic training will help you burn excess calories and stabilize your metabolism. Make sure to start your aerobic session slowly and increase the intensity as you proceed. Aerobics must be done at least 2 to 3 times a week. Bridging exercises. These exercises will help tone your tummy, bottom, and thigh muscles. To perform this exercise, lay on your back, bend your knees and slide your feet closer to your buttocks. Take a deep breath. While exhaling, tighten your stomach and lift your bottom as high as you can, and hold the position for 5 to 10 seconds. Breathe normally during this time. Gradually, lower your bottom to the floor again and rest for 3 seconds. Repeat this exercise 10 times. Performing these exercises on a regular basis will help you get back into shape. A simple 25-30 minutes of daily exercise along with a nutritious diet will work wonders for your body and your mind.